right, we are going to talk about texture and unity in this video. It should be a nice little quick one. Texture is what the surface of an artwork feels like, or what you think it would feel like if you can't actually feel anything. So we have two different types. We have real texture and we have visual texture. Real texture is stuff that you can actually touch. So if you're looking at like a sculpture or like a relief print or something, like that would have a actual thing that you could feel. If you put your hands on it, you could touch that surface and you would feel what it is. It's not something that can be like drawn or photographed, because otherwise it's not real. It would be visual. So everything that's not a real texture becomes visual. It looks like it would feel, but it's a 2D object, so it's a flat picture. Visual, on the other hand, has two different types, two different ways of looking at it. We have simulated and we have invented. Simulated is where you imitate or mimic something that really exists. So if you're drawing a picture of a cactus, you want to try to imitate that spiky texture that a cactus would have. If you're drawing a picture of a goldfish, you want to get the scaly texture of what the side of a goldfish would look like. On the other hand, when you're drawing stuff that either maybe doesn't have a real-world example, or you're just kind of making up a painting or a picture, or you just don't want to do all the detail and you want to make it up, you can do an invented texture, which is just something that you repeat lines or shapes without trying to imitate anything that really exists. Over here, you're still going to make it with lines and shapes. You're just going to be trying to imitate real things. Invented, you get to make it up. And that was our very quick little notes on texture. Now we're ready to move on to unity. Pause me if you did not have enough time or you feel rushed right now and you can finish filling things in, and then move on to unity when you're ready. And now we're ready. Okay, so unity, it says we are going to match 4 objects into each of the boxes to create unity. Every piece will only be used once. So we have all these shapes over here, all these shapes over here. Unity is making a work of art look like it goes together, look like it makes sense being the same. It has harmony together. It is united. Sameness is what we're looking for. So we're going to be looking for sameness of shape, sameness of size, sameness of shape, and sameness of color. So if I'm looking at all of these, okay, if I organize these, I've got, these are all kind of the same shape. These are also all the same shape, but these 4 are not all the same shape. Okay. However, they're all kind of little, so they're all the same size. So these 4, I can move together. They're all the same size. I could even include this one, but I only need 4, and this one goes with those ones, so I'm going to leave them over there. The next one says color or shape. Well, these ones are all different colors, but these are all different blues, which is all the same color. So I'm going to take all of these guys and put them under color, which means that these guys are the ones that fit under shape. Yes, technically I know these are all the same kind of shape, so they could go here, but these ones can't go into color, so it has to be set up like this. Alright, and that, like I said, are nice, quick, fast notes for today. You are all set once you finish moving everything to where it needs to be.